Hey guys, this is Jason Johnson. I'm the service manager. We are here at Swedish Performance and Parts in Wendell, North Carolina. Love to have you come out and see us. Swedish Performance and Parts, Kevin Mulcahy, the owner, started this company basically with his bare hands. He was really high up in Saab when Saab was still manufacturing vehicles. Eventually, General Motors took over Saab and then they tanked the brand, and Kevin went in business for himself. He's been a Saab Master Tech for over 30 years, and we branched out into other European models since then. A lot of people think all we do is European stuff, and when in actuality, we'll work on anything with a motor in it. We don't do in-depth diesel work, but other than that, it doesn't matter if it's from the UK or the US, we'll work on it, man. Ooh, I'm gonna get a lot of junk for this one. So I personally am a Hyundai fan, and all the guys here at the shop give me mess about that, just because I have a Genesis that I love. It's my fun car. If I could have any car ever, I mean, it'd probably be 4 or 5 cars, but from a sports car standpoint, I think a Corvette is your best bang for your buck, absolutely. Of course, you gotta love American muscle too. I just can't pick a favorite, man. I'm a car guy, so Oh, dude, I love working in Wendell. I've been in the industry for 13 years and working, in Apex and Raleigh area, and I love not having to commute down 40 from where I live in Clayton, and it's just so nice to have the hometown feel. My customers know me by name, I know them by name, and it's really nice to be able to not have to be so prim and proper, and just actually help people and get people out of bad spots when they're broke down. And we have some customers come in and bring us snacks, when they bring their cars in, and sometimes we give people a ride home, like especially our regular customers. And it's just really nice to be in Wendell, where it's that nice country, small town atmosphere.